What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Palm Beach area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022 in the Palm Beach area.
We're now in Palm Beach and we asked you what is the best local Jamaican patty shop and bakery in Palm Beach? And you said Island Style Bakery. Congrats, Island Style. We asked where is the best place to buy your Jamaican groceries? And you said Island Spice. Congrats, Island Spice. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant in the Palm Beach area? Yard Spice. Congrats. And the best Jamaican Caribbean event you attended for the year 2022 was the Florida Jerk Festival in Palm Beach. Congrats to the organizers of that event.